Welcome to your latest update for Scotland from the Met Office. Plenty going on over the next couple of days. We have a warning for rain through Tuesday morning across parts of the west, and then covering all parts of the country, a warning for wind on Wednesday. A fairly soggy end to Monday. That rain may ease for a time in the west, but more rain is moving back in through the night, and that's why we have this Met Office yellow warning in place. 30 to 50 millimetres of rain, maybe as much as 80 over the hills. That could cause some disruption, certainly a lot of spray and surface water on the roads. It's going to be a pretty mild night with a fairly brisk wind, a lot of cloud, outbreaks of rain. Temperatures in many areas holding up in double figures. On to the details for Tuesday. It's a very wet start in the west, but it should turn drier quite quickly here. Fairly soggy morning rush hour through the central belt. That rain will eventually reach the southeast, where it will linger for most of the day. Brightening up over the Highlands and the Western Isles, some good spells of sunshine. A few showers zipping through on the wind. Some of those may push up towards the Northern Isles as well. Brightening up through the central belt during the morning, but I think we'll keep a lot of cloud across the south. That rain continuing to peter out. Temperature-wise, well, a bit of a mixed bag. Feeling about 14, 15 degrees Celsius, maybe 16 or 17 across the south. I say feeling cooler with the wind and the rain initially, but some afternoon sunshine. Although temperature will drop quite sharply once the sun goes down on Tuesday evening with the clear skies across the north with the winds easing. The rain fizzling out in the south for a time, but it may well start to push back further north across Dumfries and Galloway as we head into Tuesday evening. That's because weather front never properly clearing, tied into a deepening area of low pressure. Now, this is really intensifying as it heads towards Scotland during Tuesday night and through Wednesday. Some uncertainty about the exact track and the exact intensity, just how strong the winds will be. But it is likely to be a very blustery day on Wednesday, and the rain also likely to move through with some heavy downpours in places. We have this large yellow wind warning in place, but there could be room for stronger winds over a smaller area as we head through Wednesday. It does depend on the exact intensity and track of that low, so something to keep up to date with. The Met Office warnings, of course, constantly being looked at on the website and on the Met Office app. But here's the chart for Wednesday. A blustery day, a wet start, some heavy bursts of rain, but as that low moves through, it should take most of the rain with it, and then we're left with a mixture of sunshine and showers for Wednesday afternoon and evening. But staying very windy, particularly across the Northern Isles, until quite late in the day. Temperatures will be down a notch on Wednesday, and obviously feeling colder with the gusty winds to boot. Keep up to date then with the forecast. As I said, plenty going on over the next couple of days. The app and the website have the weather warnings in detail, and there's always more if you follow us right across social media.